Hello kids! Let's learn some colors and shapes. Brown color, peacock green color, blue color, black color, red color, dark green color, yellow color, light pink color, green color, sky blue color, orange color, pink color, violet color. Let's draw the shape. Kite. Star. Pentagon. Circle. Square. Arrow. Red color. Kite. Kite. Red color. Blue color. Star. 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 Blue color. Peacock green color. Pentagon. 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 Peacock green color. Brown color. Circle. Circle. Brown color. Orange color. Square. Square. Orange color. Pink color. Arrow. Arrow. arrow, pink color. Kite, star, pentagon, circle, square, arrow. Red color, blue color, peacock green color, brown color, orange color, pink color. Kite, star, pentagon, circle, square, arrow. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video.